So welcome to a Farbrengen on the Tisa, second Sicha, all about Greek letters, which resonates because with Hashgacha Pratis, last week my wife and I went to Beta and two other Greek letters, but they're just known as Beta, and we brought challah dough and we shaped challah, and they all took the challahs to their apartments and baked them. And we had a whole Greek life festival. So as the Rabbi points out, that really secular culture is Greek culture, which the Romans took. And it's the idea that we offer enlightenment in our way of thinking. And there are two ways you can deal with it. One is to separate yourself completely from the world because you don't know whether we can succeed against the world or not. The other is the Shemen Mishchas Kodesh. The idea that when you learn Chassidus, which is the Chochmah of within Torah, it's the highest level of Chochmah within Torah, and you anoint yourself with it in the shape of a Chaf Yevonis, which according to the Kahos Chumash I find out is really lambda, not Chi. Usually people translate it as the letter Chi, which is an X, and this is lambda, which is different. But the idea being, and I think this is a very interesting idea, you need to ask yourself, why are you involving yourself in those things? But you have to be honest. Is it because it's superior to anything you have, or is it because it can assist you in your avodas Hashem? And the whole idea of the Mishkan and Koyanim is the ability to take Ashtros Sanecha. The way we measured our wealth back in the day was how much grain, how much oil, how much wine, how many sheep and cattle do you have? And the ability to elevate that to Hashem through Avodas HaKarbonos. So my friends, the gewaldige thing about Chabad and its Avodas Hashem is it gives you the ability to Yodea es ha'olam u'mechaven limeret boy, that we can be in touch with the world and rebel against it. But we also have to call ourselves out. And we need to call ourselves out in a big way. That when a person is not engaged in Avodas Hashem and is involved in Greek life there is a rule. You don't drink from open containers. Why? Because you will be roofied. There are things that can be put into your drink that are detrimental to your health. Sei gesund and a gute Woche.